As under-19 basketball title on Tuesday when they host defending champions Campion College in Game 2 of their best-of-3 final series. The Light Blues lead the series 1-0 after edging Campion College 64-62 in an overtime thrill on Friday, powered by a 17-point performance from Alexander Bailey. With the series now shifting to North Street, St. George's will be confident of closing it out on home court. But Campion, buoyed by a 20-point showing from Christopher Lawson in Game 1, would be desperate to force a deciding third match.
Definitely the home court advantage is something that we'll use. So I'm not looking to come back up to Campion. Definitely we're going to finish it.
Meanwhile, Wolmer's boys are also one win away from lifting the under-16 crown when they meet Jamaica College in Game 2 of their final. Wolmer's took the early advantage with a solid 67-58 victory on Friday, led by a dominant 26-point outing from Alex Farquharson, with Malika Richardson adding 17.
And if he wants us to go into a third game, because he's the deliverer of us, and whatever he desires of us, we are going to accept it. And we are going to play hard, and with the Lord guidance, and the victory is going to come to us for the second game, and if it means the third game.
And Jamaica College sparked by Sidhu Ham's double-double and 21 points from Tyler Fiani will be aiming to respond and keep the series alive.